Okay, so we go to Finder, Standard, and over here you have Applications and Epson Software. Click it. Here are all the options. We're scanning in a document. There's 3 options here. Scan Smart I found to be the easiest. So we double click. This loads up. You want to see that this printer, you might have to hit the on button on the printer in case it's asleep on the network. And this is a network Wi-Fi printer. So it is telling you that that is it because we don't have a printer hooked up. So we're going to pause right here for a second. I'm going to put something in the scanner and come back. So back here we loaded up the document in the printer face down after signing the document. Printer is showing up and hit scan.
That one? Scan area?
No,
No.
the big blue. That's what I clicked. Here's the mouse.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
well, problem.
Okay, the big blue square. Hit that one.
Okay. So it is starting to scan.
Okay.
With default settings. And it's going to figure it out, right? That it's document, not photo. Okay, so there you go. It shows what we have scanned. And so we go to next. We're going to, you can send to Gmail, and I think it's going to start up a Gmail message, and that's exactly what we would want. But let's do it the way that saves it directly onto your computer. So I hit save. Here's the name of it. So I put something else. Jones Scan, so that it has its own unique name that I can remember. File type is PDF, that's correct. And here's where it's going to save. In the user's Jonies Bloom Documents folder. You can choose another folder by hitting Browse, right? We'll cancel out of that, we'll leave it at the default. So I hit save. Oh, it's saved. So in Google Chrome, go to your Gmail for Joan, which is the right? It's Gmail, right? You can do it, you do it in your Mail app, right? So you hit compose. Right? Isn't that this? Compose a new message to CS Bloom, Gmail, subject, scan, document. Then we want to include an attachment. And it said it's in the Documents folder, right here. Jones Scan was the name of it. This is what we want. It says today. That's what we did. Choose file. There it is in the message. Hit send. And it's off. Thank you for your patience. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. All donations accepted.